Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Chic Stylish Style. I'm back with another inspired makeup look from Jasmine Tookes. First thing first, I'm going to prep my face with Max Fix Plus spray. This will help me to hydrate my face and it will be easy to blend whatever makeup is going to be taken next, and this will keep a set for a long time. After that, I took the lip balm of Maybelline and applied over my lip. Then I set my brow with Makeup Revolution Transparent Brow Gel. Then I took a makeup primer from MAC and applied it on my face, and this primer gives a subtle glow from underneath that you want for this look. Then I did a spot corrector on my face with lipstick from Wet n Wild and blend it with my finger to get good coverage from it. Then I took concealer of Maybelline in shade Deep and applied it on my lid. Then using a flat concealer brush, picking small amount of concealer, carving the bottom of eyebrow to make it clean and sharp. Then with the help of a brush, I spread it completely on my lid, taking damp beauty blender, dabbing on my lid to soak up excess product. For eyeshadow, I used Swiss Pretty Mini palette, took that reddish brown color and applied it on my lid. You have to apply it on only on lid, don't go over your crease line or contour line. Using a big fluffy brush, I'm blending it towards my crease or contour area of my lid. Next, I take reddish orange color shadow from next to it and applying it on my outer V of eyelid and bringing it towards my contour area of eyelid and blend it in a circular motion or wiping motion, whatever method you like. Blend it nicely so that both the color diffuse together. There shouldn't be any harsh line or a different partition of both color. There should be a gradient effect whenever you blend your eyeshadow. Here I used a big fluffy clean brush to blend both the color and feathering out toward my brow a little bit to give a more light gradient of that color. Now filling my eyebrow with the brown shadow the palette have. You can fill your eyebrow with a eyeshadow also, and make sure to choose a color that is your likely to your skin tone. I am deeper in skin color, so I am able to choose that brown color. If you are lighter than me or fairer than me, then you have to add white color or a beige color to get that lighter effect to fill your eyebrow. I like to start filling my brow from the arch and filling it toward my tail, keeping it in a darker color, and then filling it toward my front part of brow in a lighter shade, lighter effect, uh, giving soft stroke of brush. Then I use kohl pencil from Sugar to create a classic liner. Using a flat smudger brush, I smoke out that liner. And also applying kohl on my lower waterline and quickly curl my lashes to apply mascara. And the mascara I'm going to use today is from L'Oreal Paris Paradise Mascara. For foundation I'm using is from MAC in shade NC45. I always like to apply foundation by applying dot all over my face, then I blend it with a flat foundation brush or a beauty blender. For under eye brightening concealer, I am using the same concealer from Maybelline in shade Deep. As you can see, I am applying concealer on my slope of nose, as my nose is wide, not too sharp. So this will give an illusion of being a part of my cheek skin and give my nose more slimmer appearance after contouring it. Before blending concealer, I always leave concealer for a while to get set, to get more coverage. But whenever I quickly blend the concealer, then I always start with the outer perimeter first to blend it out, like my cheek area where I applied concealer, and chin and forehead. Lastly, I blend my under eye to get coverage. Until that, the concealer sort of dried out at that point. Today I am going for a cream contour. For this I am using Makeup Revolution stick foundation for contouring my face. For setting my under eye concealer, I am going to use BAC translucent powder in shade 04. Using a brush and quickly give a simple stroke of brush by giving a sweeping motion to give more airbrush look. And now using a big fluffy brush, I am quickly bronzing my face with Makeup Revolution RELOVE bronzer in shade Oasis. For blush, I am going for a peachy and orangey tone shade. Now completing my eye makeup, applying that orangey shade on my lower lash line. For inner eye brightening, I used that beige color with a small pencil brush. And for highlighting my face, I used Roxy palette contour and highlighting palette, and using that brownish shimmer shade to highlight my face, and line my lip with Swiss Beauty lip liner in shade cherry brown. And fill my lip with Makeup Revolution lipstick in shade Flame. And that's all for this look, and hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find helpful. and if you do so, please give a moment to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.